Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how you can edit a navigation bar in Squarespace. It's fairly easy job to do, but there are tons of steps how we can approach it. So what is navigation bar in Squarespace? We are at the moment logged in our free version of Squarespace. So it works in every single version of Squarespace. And we want to go to website, which is first option in top left corner. We are going to click there and we end up in pages and main navigation. This is our navigation bar that we are going to talk about. At the moment, we have about, shop. There are some drop-down menus or categories, if you will. It's ice skates, snowboard, skis. We can also add another page underneath this folder because this is a page, as you can see, blank page, and the shop is folder. So if you want to arrange pages underneath, you need to start with a folder first and then one by one aligning them underneath. And then we have contacts. First of all, we can explore all the options that we have on the left side panel of each and every folder, each and every, what's it called? Page, I'm sorry. So, for example, we want to get rid of ice skates, which is a subcategory to shop. As you can see, it's this one. It's underneath the shop in this drop-down menu. And I'm gonna click on delete. Delete page are no longer available and will be permanently deleted in 30 days. You can either confirm, you can confirm or cancel. I'm going to confirm it. As you can see, there is no more ice skates underneath our shop. We can add a page in the folder, which is a next option that we are going to approach. And we can add blank page, page layout, scheduling, then collections of blog, store, portfolio, events, videos, and courses. If you are selling your time, not the products, for example, through courses, you can easily add a course. Add a course 1 or course 2. There is just the templates that you can pick from. We can pick this one and you see it's a course number 1. The course number 1 will be available, will be available underneath the shop. So lesson identifying a profitable niche, yada yada yada. Obviously we don't have to make it a subcategory to the shop. We can make it as course number 1. Okay, let's rename it to video making course and save it. This is the next step that it's a course name. We need to navigation title. So video making course, it's this one. We naturally jumped into another option that we have next each and every page or folder, which is on the left side it's delete, on the right side it's this little wheel. In wheel we have an option to make changes. So we have video making course, which is course name, course summary, navigation title, which will be the title shown on the top of your screen. We can enable or disable the page. We can password protect it. We can set as a home page or delete page, which is also an option on the left, if you remember correctly. SEOs, which are search engine optimization, how they will, or our customers will find this course. And then we have advanced. Page header code injection. If you want to use code, a little bit of programming, or you found the code on the website, you can easily do so. So let's close this one. What do we have here more? In the main navigation, we can also add scheduling, page layouts, book appointments or classes. That's a very nice option if you are selling your time, as I said, not the physical product. So what else? Then we have not linked. These pages are public unless they are disabled or password protected, but they don't appear in the navigation. Search engines can also discover them. So this is a home option. We can easily use it. Just like that. So if we go to home, this is our home page. We can, this is your home page. It's already set as my home page. If it's first in navigation, it's gonna be automatically added to the home page. We can add so much stuff in here. We can edit it in so many levels that for sure it's gonna take time for you to explore all of them. I will be here for you for every single step and every single question that you will have along the way in these Squarespace tutorials. Don't worry. And yeah, it's a lot of stuff maybe to comprehend, but don't worry, we can make it happen together. Those not linked are very nice. For example, if you don't want to sell snowboards anymore and you want to just put them in here, the category will stay, the product will stay, all of the editing will stay that you did. And for example, there will come a season for snowboards yet again, and you'll just drag and drop them underneath the shop again, and you make them available for your customers. You don't have to go through millions and millions of products or categories with a product. You just can stash everything in not linked. It's very nice way. You can still use it, for example, as a hidden URL that you will send to your customers if they want something, some products they are not shown on the page. So there are tons and tons of options that Squarespace offers. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.